Today's outfit of the day is inspired by the color chartreuse, or Grinch green, as it is so fitting for the Christmas season. The scarf is from the Hallmark store purchased last year. The hat is a 60s style mod cap purchased at Kohl's. My sweater was an early present from a great friend. It's double-breasted with detailed tailoring on the back and has a hood. I'm wearing faded Glory jeans that I rolled up to give a boyfriend jean look. My shoes are wedged army green booties purchased from Old Navy. Under my sweater and scarf, I'm wearing a festive red glitter top purchased at Ross. My earrings are snowflake chandeliers, also purchased at Kohl's. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the holiday season.